Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with admin rights because Bitlocker changes drive security. Without them, you cannot save a recovery key. Once ready, open Control Panel, choose System and Security, then Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Select the drive you are protecting and click Manage or Turn on Bitlocker. Start the wizard. Choose how to unlock the drive. Make decisions now about saving the key to a file, USB, print, or to your Microsoft/work account. Each choice has trade-offs for accessibility and security. Now focus on execution. If you save to a file, choose a removable USB or encrypted network share and give the file a clear name. Do not leave it on the protected drive. If you sign into a Microsoft or Azure AD account, select the option to back up the key to your account. This gives remote retrieval. Printing gives a physical fallback. Make sure writing is legible and stored securely. Make choices that balance recoverability and risk. Then confirm the selection to continue. Finish the process by completing the wizard and following any restart prompts. Bitlocker may prompt to run a system check. Allow it. Once Windows boots, verify that your chosen backup locations contain the recovery key, open the file, inspect the printed copy, and confirm the cloud backup shows the key. Make at least 2 separate, secure copies in different formats. If you cannot find the key later, pause, check your Microsoft/Azure AD account or Active Directory, and contact your system administrator as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.